This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make rock candy with string. First, gather your essential supplies: granulated sugar, water, a saucepan, a spoon, a clean glass jar, and a piece of cotton string. Prepare your string by tying a paper clip or a small washer to one end to act as a weight. This will keep the string submerged in the sugar solution. Next, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in your saucepan. Once boiling, gradually stir in 4 cups of granulated sugar until it completely dissolves. Continue heating the sugar and water mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial that no undissolved sugar remains at the bottom of the pot. Once the sugar is fully incorporated, remove the solution from the heat immediately. Do not allow it to boil after dissolution. Let the supersaturated sugar solution cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. This cooling period is important for crystal formation. Carefully pour the slightly cooled, supersaturated sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Now, take your prepared cotton string, ensuring the weight is attached, and suspend it into the jar. You can use a pencil or a skewer laid across the jar's opening to hold the string in place. Make sure the string hangs freely in the solution, not touching the bottom or the sides of the jar. Finally, loosely cover the top of the jar with a paper towel to keep out dust while allowing air circulation. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed location where it won't be jostled. Over the next 1 to 2 weeks, you'll observe beautiful sugar crystals slowly forming and growing on your string. The longer you wait, the larger your rock candy crystals will become. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove the string and let the candy dry. Enjoy your homemade rock candy. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.